Hello. Mic testing.
So,
1, 2, 4, 3.
I think we are making a vlog podcast today. Not really a podcast, but still wanted to upload something. So we are going with this shit. अब तुम प्रेम में तो आओ.
All your shakes, guys. All your shakes.
Not for you guys. Finished sort of. So guys, we are trying to buy a balloon actually. Helium filled balloon. We are
You're not
trying to
letting me buy a balloon. It's expensive, guys.
So we are consulting with our second finance manager. I am the first finance manager, but I am also struggling here. So I think we need to consult with
I'm
the.
no one here.
Oh,
It's
sorry.
like I'm no one here.
So I need to consult with the second financial manager. She's coming right now.
And
Oh,
name
shit.
is SK.
SKP.
SPK.
SPK actually. I think people can figure it out. Sorting out the Indian names. But also the balloon we are getting is for 60. But now we have a moral conundrum here.
I
Should
thought
we
it
really
would be
spend?
around 50 maximum,
Should
but
we really spend 60 in a plastic filled with air?
that will,
That floats also somehow.
yeah, but it will eventually,
Eventually deflate.
yeah, and then
Just
there's
like-
no use of it anymore. Second finance, whatever it is not coming.
Also, this is not sponsored, but we are trying to find sponsors. So,
China will sponsor us.
finance manager is not really in the place right now. Actually, we had a collab with the second finance manager. We got the finance manager in the action.
Guys, so this is our finance manager in the action today, which will tell us if we should buy a balloon worth 60 rupees or not.
So, should we really spend 60 rupees in a plastic filled with air?
No, that's completely a waste of money. इससे अच्छा बाहर से गुब्बारा लेके हवा भर लो उसमें धागा लगा लो.
So, no, a complete clear no here from the both of the finance manager.
No one loves me.
A complete no from both of the finance manager. Anything else?
No one fucking loves me. No one is buying me a fucking
बर्बाद
balloon
हो
for
जाते
60
हैं, बर्बाद है
rupees.
पैसे.
These shit ass rich people.
Anything else?
These shit ass rich people
Like
can't
that?
even buy me a balloon for 60 rupees.
Anything? See, they are harassing a middle class person.
Middle class
Middle
person.
class me.
I'm with you.
Me, I'm in middle.
I am with him.
Yeah, I don't know.
60 रुपए का
People
गुब्बारा
want to
लेके
spend
किधर
60.
जाओगे?
किधर दो?
Where will you go?
छोड़ूंगी ना.
ठीक है, okay.
Anything else you would like to add?
Guys, मुझे इतनी पेमेंट मिली थी, मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकती.
So yeah, that is our finance manager. Straight talking about money only.
That's why she's a finance manager.
Yeah, so I am proud that we hired her. She doesn't do any kind of discrimination when money comes in action. बस ये एंगल ज़्यादा अच्छा है, बस मेरे को ज़्यादा जोर के बोलना पड़ेगा. So guys, you can see is the enthusiasm is in the air here. You can hear drums and shit, people singing, people
You
becoming.
can't hear us.
People becoming sales manager also out of nowhere, man. People just pulling out some kind of skills out of their asses. So the main thing is the podcast has a little bit changes
Not
here.
even in focus.
I think side angle is not really our audience used to. जान पहचान का मिल गया, बेइज्जती भी करवा लेंगे, ऐसी बात नहीं है. We are no stranger to बेइज्जतियाँ in this college. But actually I'm a pass out, so it doesn't really matter.
He's just coming to the college. Someone has to report him, guys. He need to be reported. He's just coming to the college. He doesn't even belong to this college anymore.
I took a special entry here actually with proper authentication, so nobody can.
2-3 गार्ड के साथ पहचान है मेरी. रुक जाओ, फाइन लगवाती हूँ, 50-50 कर लूंगी गार्ड के साथ.
I think you're not coming. I think ऐसे करते हैं vlog. ऐसा आदत नहीं है.